Ang ganda nung ano, ang ganda ng wall nila, yung malaking LED na wall. Nag-iiba-iba yung design, flowers, tapos parang meron siyang peacock. Oh, ang ganda, gorgeous. Naalala ko diyan yung nagpunta kami sa what you call it, sa Las Vegas, yun not sa new strip, sa old strip, which happened to be, what a coincidence, same street. Here is Fremont Street, and the old strip in Las Vegas is also in Fremont Street. Oh, see, same thing, what a coincidence. And that, they have it on the ceiling, a long LED ceilings that place different kind of scenery, and they have a very long zip line over there at Fremont Street, Old Las Vegas Strip. Oh wow, hindi ko ini-expect na magkapareho ng ng street na Fremont. Oh, ayan, iba na naman oh. Ang ganda oh. Oh, cute. Ang ganda ng design ng LED screen. Nakakaaliw. I can watch it all day. That's how I love like arts and all this kind of thing. Nice. Tapos ito oh, ayan oh, maraming iba-ibang building ng Salesforce Tower. Ayan, Salesforce Tower. I think this is also Salesforce Tower. Yeah, it is. Right there. Salesforce. Yeah, marami silang building dito. Ganda oh. Welcome to Salesforce West. Look at that. I love flowers, and look at that. Ooh, gorgeous. It's very hypnotic. I can look at it for as long as I can, and I'm not gonna get tired of it. Ooh, look at that. Ang ganda. Imagine ganyan ang wall mo no sa bahay. Ay, hindi na siguro ako lalabas. Nice. Oh, ang galing. Mababaw lang ang kaligayahan ko, guys. So, hindi ako mahirap pasayahin or pangitiin or patawanin. Naman ako to sa character ng nanay ko. We both love nature, we both love flower. Our common denominator is we love gardening and planting. When we used to live in our province, in a countryside in the Philippines, we have a homestead, and we have a piece of land that we do farming and poultry and gardening. I miss the